Welcome to a new video on the Parts channel. Okay, I'm gonna make a short video, but I think it's very interesting, answering a question you left me regarding a video uploaded about an injector that's misfiring on a 1600 HTI engine. Open. In this case, it's mounted on a C4 Picasso. Someone asked what the solution is in this case, whether the entire injector should be replaced or sent to be redone. I'll give you a few seconds and explain. Look. There, you can clearly hear that there's an injector misfiring. In this case, starting from the right would be the first or fourth injector. Look how it looks inside. There you can see that it's full of residue. See, here's what to do. You don't have to redo the injector or anything like that. What you need to do is clean this area well, clean the injector well, and after cleaning the injector piece, change the copper gasket, which is the one that has degraded, which is why the cylinder is losing compression. Okay, once the gasket is changed, as I said, everything has been cleaned well, the injector is reinstalled and it will work again. Okay, there's nothing else to do. You don't have to change the injector or redo the injector or anything like that. Okay, well, here's a short video. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.